Hooked on sustainable living? Do more for yourself and the environment with eco-friendly home supplies from Natural Home Brands. We are here for the consumer who cares. That's why we offer a variety of affordable, sustainable, eco-friendly home supplies like kitchen and cleaning tools to help you live a balanced, socially responsible lifestyle. Our innovative molded bamboo products are tough, durable, and easy to clean. Our cleaning cloths are made from viscose or tree bark, allowing them to far outlast a single-use traditional paper towel. If you aren't so sure about giving up paper towels, we have bleach, chlorine, and tree-free bamboo paper towels that are earth-friendly and at a great price. Now you can feel better than ever about cooking, cleaning, and entertaining. Natural Home Brands designs every product with nature in mind. We are proud to offer subscription services and offer free shipping for all orders over $75. Check out all our eco-friendly home supplies at naturalhomebrands.com or call us today at 800-835-1412 to learn more.